Hi everyone, my name is Shamsuddin Alami. I'm from Nigeria. I came to Craw last year for CH, which stands for Certified Ethical Hacking Course, where I passed the exam. Then with the mentorship of my boss and the director of Craw Security, India, he granted me a fully funded scholarship to come over for advanced Cyber Security Diploma, where we start from the beginning, like the beginner level, where we did Linux, networking, and Python for cyber security. From then, we move on to the intermediate, where we do ethical hacking, advanced penetration testing, web penetration testing. And the course, all the trainers, they are I'm very excited with them, with their mode of the training, with the labs they provide for us, with the practical tools that we use during this training. And I will not forget, first of all, my boss, which is General CG Musa, for finding me worthy in this course. I will never forget him. And the director, Craw Security, which is Mr. Mohid Yadav, he really played a vital role in this my journey, because all after our classes, he used to call me and ask what we have done today. So once I told him, you see that he give me extra work aside from the class work. So I have to do it. I will not lie to you, I have find Craw a very best place to enroll in cybersecurity, because their trainer, they are very expert. The lab environment, the crack the lab, all they have the facilities of cybersecurity, both offensive and defensive. So I would like to recommend everyone that have interest in cybersecurity, both defensive or offensive. If you are trying to develop yourself on that, I will recommend Craw Cybersecurity India for you, because their trainer are best. They have all the labs. They have the best trainer so far, because there are some of my colleagues that went to another institution that they did not meet up with the practical aspect of cybersecurity like I have. And my achievement in Craw, I've got a best graduating student in this one-year diploma, where I won a laptop. I also get an award from this prestigious institution. And I want to thank everyone for supporting me through this my journey. First of all, my boss, I will never forget to mention his name. He played a vital role. Then his coursemate, then Sergeant Abdul, and many more that I cannot be mentioned. I'm very grateful for everyone, and even the director, Mr. Mohid Yadav. After the completed one-year diploma, which is basically 12 courses, he added 2 extra courses for me, which is CRTP and OSCP. So I'm very grateful for that, and I'm happy to see you next time. Thank you.